Today, I'm fishing this pond at this company, and supposedly they want the bass out of the pond, and within a year, nobody's gonna be allowed to fish here anymore. All right, tied on a frog. We're gonna see what's up. Is there even bass in this pond? What do you think I'm doing wrong with the topwater frog? Let me know down below. Oh, I got one. Oh, I'm a Kelly's Firetail. Oh, look at this guy. Sheesh. I've been throwing around the topwater frog because of all these weeds. Nothing. As soon as I throw in the Kelly's Firetail, first cast, it's over with. All right, look at this guy. Oh. Man, this is a nice bass. They don't want me throwing anything back. I'm not sure the reason why. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be throwing this guy back, but nice. Honestly though, I have no use for this guy and I don't really want to take him home. So I'm just gonna throw him back. Y'all see that guy? There he goes.